Hello YouTube, this is the Hosim Vexaro X27 2024 release from Hosim, 1 through 8 scale, comes with 3S battery, 85 amps, ESC, big motor, brushless with a fan, nice wiring system, placing their metal all throughout, including the dog bones right there. It's thick metal, it's beautiful, it has big linkage, it has a nice beefy plastic A-arms, big oil filled shocks, nice towers, nice LEDs, big tires, big wheels. This is a monster, has metal braces that goes all the way from rear to front tower. Towers, by the way, are thick as well. Comes with these connectors, a nice spoiler, as well as a nice wheelie bar. Looking from this side right here, you can actually see those big metal parts right there. If I come from this angle right there, you see how strong that it is. All metal, and it does have a center differential right here, rear and front differentials, big shocks, big links, 9 or 11 if I'm not mistaken kilograms servo with big arms, saver with bearings, metal brace, bumpers. This car is amazing. I'll be running this in a very short future. Looking from underneath right here, you have this nice nylon, really good construction arms. They did ship some vehicles with a aluminum part that would break very easily. Glad that they did upgrade this. The rear knuckles are plastics, such as the front knuckles as well. Those are also plastics, but looks like good plastic. The caps on the oil filled shocks are aluminum caps, like you can see here, and all the chassis is a nice plated aluminum. Really nice construction, strong front bumper. This vehicle really has everything and really looks like it's going to be very durable. So only time is going to tell, but I'll be testing this out and we'll find out. Right there in the background I have the X25 Victory. It will do its own review later, as well as a comparison between these two vehicles. Are very similar. The body on the Vexaro X27, it's such a beautiful graphics, red and black, some silver in it as well. Have this clip holders that I love, easy to put back in place, and it fits pretty cool. Car is very solid, really solid car. You'll have videos of this one running very shortly through the grass, through the dirt, in the road. 3S, 2S capable, even 4S they claim in their box. So very interesting model. In my opinion, this is the best Hosim model. I have reviewed many others already in the past, but this one really feels like they have put all the upgrades, everything that they learned throughout the years within their all other models, and they did this one to be really a beast of a car. Car looks amazing. It drives pretty well, balanced and easy to control. The suspension holds, jumps very nicely, doesn't bounce like crazy. It's a beautiful car. So I hope that you liked. Please comment, like, dislike, leave your message, and please subscribe. That really helps push this channel to keep growing. I'm buying all of this with my own money, so this is a hobby for me. This is not my job, but I really enjoy RCs and I enjoy bringing this content to the community. Thank you very much, and I see you in the next one.